Alright, so I fixed the WinBook FX's sound fault, and it wasn't a driver issue, it was the chip itself. It wasn't bad, but the solder joints were. Someone told me on the VCF forums that these solder joints are pretty bad on these WinBook FXs and the AST Essentia P series, which was made from the same base laptop as this. And I went ahead and bunch of flux, reflowed the sound chip, and I got it working. Just like that. Works. Sounds great too. Now I just have to finish putting it back together. Thank you to all the great people at VCF forums for helping me get this one fixed. Very happy.